Another big benefit to glove training, cage cleaning. I can wipe down the glass because I don't have the gloves on, and I get no food response, no risk. Pet him first, then come in with the rag. Wet both sides. I'm also using different colored rags than the gloves, so he knows this isn't the gloves. See, I'm waving my hands around similar to when I feed him. I do the same thing with the tongs when I'm feeding him, but he hasn't seen the gloves today, so I get no food response.
Hello.
Good boy, Blue.
I kind of like turned it a little bit, just like a